Do you want to learn how to digitize to create and edit your own custom embroidery designs but don't quite know where to start? Hi, I'm John Deere, owner of Embroidery Legacy, and in this quick video I'm going to show you the 3 main stitch types every embroiderer should know and when you'd use them while digitizing. These 3 stitch types are the pillars of machine embroidery. Virtually every design in existence is a simple variation of one of these 3. Now the first main stitch type is the running stitch. This is the most basic and really the foundational stitch type that all the other stitch types stem from. It's basically just a stitch that moves from point A to point B without doing anything fancy. Now although it's the simplest, it also gives you the most creativity. The running stitch can be used for something as simple as outlines or redwork designs, and also for something as complex as fine detail and trying to create realism within your embroidery. Now the second main stitch type is the satin stitch. Now the satin stitch brings embroidery to life because it reflects light and promotes the sheen of the thread. The satin stitch is what makes embroidery dimensional. Most importantly is to know the theory of the satin stitch. Knowing the rules of this stitch type are the difference between creating soft quality embroidery or stiff bulletproof designs. Finally, the third main stitch type is the fill stitch. The fill stitch is generally used in larger areas and the options are endless if you know how to manipulate this stitch type, changing patterns, densities, adding properties like blending, variegations, and curve effects to create unlimited potential to play with. Now that you know what the 3 primary stitch types are of machine embroidery and when you'd use them, the next step is to learn how to use them when digitizing and creating designs. For this reason, I created the free Embroidery Digitizing 101 video course and cheat sheet PDF to help teach you more of the basics. You'll learn about things like proper stitch lengths, densities, underlay, mapping, and much more in this quick 20-minute course. Plus, for a limited time, it's absolutely 100% free. So click the link below to enroll now and take the first steps towards creating and editing your own custom embroidery designs today.